Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're taking a look here at Bitcoin, seeing what's going on, bouncing perfectly off this entry zone of 105 to 104K range. In fact, so perfect that we missed our entry. Look at 105.010. Basically a fraction of a percent off from our entry at 105, and we also missed our short at 108.9. It came up to 108.75. So good news is working within the ranges we're expecting. Bad news is not really getting filled on our entries, but that does happen sometimes, folks. So try not to get discouraged and FOMO in. There's a decent chance we're back on track and we're looking good here, but the overall sentiment is, we still got to be careful and not just get crazy with it. Having said that, hit the like button, folks. If you could just do that every single time you watch the video, really appreciate it. We can see 109 to 110 and 111. Basically 109 to 111 is the best range to kind of consider based on the macro perspective here as far as how much higher we're going to go up. Right, there's a decent chance we break through this local high here at 109 and continue further up, mainly because we're starting to see a shift in momentum here. Late shorts are getting destroyed. And this market right now is made for that. Like every time technical analysis tells you want to go short, it goes the opposite direction. So I'm thinking that we're probably going to apply a new strategy in our community of just doing the exact opposite of what makes sense. The reason why that makes sense is because the market is very much upside down right now, and it does the exact opposite of what should happen. So I guess until that changes, we just kind of got to be dynamic and trade within ranges, which is what we've been doing. We just keep missing these ranges because this happens usually when I'm sleeping. So it's just the way it goes, but not complaining. It's just kind of how the market is, and I'm trying to normalize it so you understand that that tomfoolery is like par for the course. That's just crypto for you. If you don't like it, probably not the best industry for you. It gets annoying after a while, but honestly, this volatility is kind of fun too. So anyway, no matter how you look at it, open interest still heavy at this 107.5K range. So people have the most amount of average positions at roughly 107.5. So taking a look here at the daily. To clarify here, we do have a fair value gap down as low as 103.5. My expectation was to see the price range in between 104 to 105K and then bounce. We just wicked down and turned right around. So kind of an aggressive correction there. It's leading me to believe that we're back on track, mainly just based on the larger time frame patterns. I mentioned this yesterday, but when you have bullish type of flag patterns like this, it's really common before they break out to retest their local point of control, which in this case is that 105K range. So the likelihood of further upside is greater now based on us kind of bouncing out that level and just showing how much strength we have in that area. All that said, we have so far a bullish engulfing candle today. So if we close over 107,000, it would probably be a good signal or indication that we're going to go further higher. Furthermore, too, let's take a quick look here at the back end the back end indicators on the daily time frame. We can see here we bounced off 50 on the RSI. It's that nice solid support range. Keep in mind 50 on the RSI in most cases runs consistent with support levels in the chart, which is at 105K. So it's not like that's just a magic number there, but maintaining over 50 is important, just kind of letting us know that the bulls are still in control. That's the overall sense there. So daily time frame does look pretty decent in the overall. We also held very strong above the 20 and the 50-day SMA. So more inclination for the price to go higher here, just based on momentum and that liquidity zone holding very strong. Overall, we see a MACD convergence on the 4-hour time frame. We can also recognize we're back up over 50. Stochastic swinging up. Money flow index is a little bit low, but that does tend to happen when we have a lot of selling pressure leading into a buy zone. So I'm not super concerned with that. What I want to see is if we are above the cloud and kind of where we're at here in this case on the hourly time frame, we're back up above. We've held above here pretty well, and the lagging span's free and clear. So these are we've got pretty much all buy signals on the charts right now for Bitcoin right now. Just keep in mind, this comes with a caveat, because every single time, I'm not joking, but within the last month or two, every single time we get confirming factors that we're going to get a breakout and things are going to go well, it just turns around and goes south on us. Market makers are very good about trapping late longs and late shorts. In this case, late longs may be getting trapped, right? But we are above our point of control here locally. We're in a position where we have solid confirming factors letting us know we should go higher, right? Only thing we can't account for is market manipulation, and we just see a ton of that right now. So just be very careful. I'm going to look at some altcoins here soon, see where we're at with some others. It does look like Bitcoin dominance is starting to taper off a little. It's still a little too premature and a little too early to tell. So hopefully we get some good signals / opportunities today. But for those in my Trading Academy community or signals group, keep in mind we do have 2 open trades right now. They're both in profit. Good to go in that regard. We secured profits on our XR XRP long as well. That was, what, 20%? I'd say hold open the remainder of that position. I do think 240 is more likely. But once more, this all depends on Bitcoin, okay? So more to come. Stay patient. We'll get there. Hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll see you next one. Oh, don't forget to also make sure you check out Bitunix too, folks. Between now and July 25th, there's a really awesome promotion going on right now. Be sure to check that out and hit us up over on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Feel free to say what's up if you like. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Thanks again. Take care.